Hi loves, mabuhay, bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Roma and welcome. Before we get started, I'd like to invite you guys to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you're feeling extra nice today, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up before exiting out this video. Thank you. So for today's video, I am actually going to do a review. Well, to be honest, it's mostly a first impression review of the Louis Vuitton mini pochette accessoire in the Damier Ebène Canvas. So I am actually going to timestamp this video. Well, first of all, you will see the unboxing. I'm going to put the card just right up there. And then on the timestamp, I'm going to be talking about the size of this mini pochette accessoire. I am also going to give you some fun facts and history of the mini pochette as well as the canvas print, and at the end I will let you know why I chose this option, how I managed to grab this, and the total first impression of the product. So let's get going. So to start off, I am just going to give you the size of this mini pochette in the Damier Ebène Canvas. So for the length, so this is the length, it is 15.5 centimeters, and then for the height it is 10.4 centimeters, and then on the width it is 4 centimeters. So as you can see, this is in the Damier Ebène coated canvas. It has also a cowhide leather trim, so there you go. And then the textile lining inside, which is in the color red. And then, of course, the gold color hardware. And then the chain with the hook, just right there. And then a zip closure. Very smooth, and the chain is non-removable, as you can see in here. It's non-removable there, but it's removable on this side, and it has a chain drop of 15 centimeters. So the reference is either made in France, made in Spain, made in Italy, or in the US. I think mine is made in France. I don't know if you can see that. If not, I will just put a close-up of it. There you go. Okay, so now let's head on the fun facts and the history. So around 1800s, Louis Vuitton was a young boy, I think around 16 years of age. He went off to be an apprentice to a luggage maker. And then around 1854, he opened his own shop. Well, that was the time that the original Louis Vuitton luggage pieces came to the world. And then around 1858, he developed the flat bottom trunks after noticing that many trunks in France at that time were rounded. And he developed that because it was for him easier to stack those luggage trunks when they had the flat bottom trunks instead of the rounded ones. Well, when that happens, it was a major hit, and that was, I think, how Louis Vuitton kinda exploded on the scene in France. And then around 1888, he developed the canvas material. Ta-da! Well, at first people will think that, oh, is it leather or whatsoever, but no, this is a canvas material. So it's actually a cotton canvas coated with PVC, and by doing so, it is durable, sweat resistant, water and fireproof. So I think that was the reason why a lot of people love the canvas of Louis Vuitton. Then in 1889, Louis Vuitton created the Damier canvas print. So he actually created this print to prevent counterfeiting at that time. Damier in French is actually meaning checkered. So as you can see, it's like a checkboard. He originated this print. Then in 1896, George, the son of Louis Vuitton, once he took up the company, once his father died, in honor of his father, he decided to come up with a brand new print, and that was the monogram print, which has the LV on it, and LV stands for Louis Vuitton's initials. He created it to memorialize and to honor his father. Apparently, the flowers that are on this print are inspired of the Japanese garden. I've read somewhere that a flower is a universal symbol. Then around 1998, so we jumped up from 1896 to 1998, firstly known Damier canvas became Damier Ebène. Ebène for the darkened color of it. And then around 2006, there was the Damier Azur. So the Damier Azur is also the checkered one, but with a lighter finish. And then around 2008, there was the Damier Graphite or Damier Graphite, which is in the men's collection, and that is slightly grayish. Okay, so those were the fun facts and history of the canvas prints. Now I'm going to talk to you how I managed to score this mini pochette accessoire and why I chose this print. Well, first of all, I went on the Louis Vuitton website and it has always been sold out. It could be the Damier Ebène, Damier Azur, and also the monogram canvas. All of those three are always out of stock. And I was like, okay, why not try to go to a boutique? Maybe, if by any chance, I might be able to score one. So I decided to go there. I'll put a card here at the time that we went there, so you can check it out. So when I went there, of course, I've tried different things, and then I've asked the client advisor if by any chance they have the mini pochette accessoire. And she was like, oh yeah, we do. And I was like, oh my God. And then I've asked her the Damier Ebène print, and I also asked her the monogram canvas print, because those are the two that I wanted to have, because they have, you know, the easier color to use and low maintenance as for the outer finishing. So she showed me both, and I was like, oh my God, I have to choose one, because I know this is really a hard to find piece. So at the end, I opted for the Damier Ebène for different reasons. First reason is for the leather. So this leather is treated leather, so it means that it won't have any marks or stains or whatsoever, unlike the monogram one, which is the Vuitton. So it means that it can be, let's say, easily damaged if I do not put any apple guard or whatsoever. So that is the first reason. Second reason will be, I chose this because I wanted, as one of the first LV items that I buy, is to have the original canvas print that has been created by his truly Louis Vuitton. Well, to be honest, I didn't knew at first when I was in the boutique that this was the original one. I really thought at that time that it was the monogram canvas, and then the client advisor told us the story, the one that I have just mentioned to you prior to this part of the video, that yeah, this is the original one that Louis Vuitton himself created, and that the monogram was actually created by his son George. And lastly, I also took this canvas print because I'm just going to show you inside. Wait, I'm gonna take out the cards. Inside it is the red one, so it has this pop of color that I really like, because the monogram one, if I'm not mistaken, the inside is in, let's say, brown beige color, so it's a more monotone color. Unlike this one, you have a darker color outside, but when you open it inside, you have that spark of color. And I think it's a lot easier also if I want to find some, since it's little and small, I wanted, if I have to find something, it will pop up easily because the color inside is lighter. Well, it has a color, so it will pop up. So those are really the main things, the three main reasons why I chose this canvas print. So for my review, well, first impression, so what can I say? First and foremost, I'm quite happy that I have been able to have this item, first of all. Secondly, I'm quite satisfied that I had it before the price increase of 2021, because I have received this as a Christmas gift from my hubby. So yeah, I'm very happy with that, because here in Belgium, when we bought this in December, it was around 245 euros. With the increase price this January 2021, it became around, it's 300 euros. So it was 245 December 2020, and in January 2021 it became 300 euros. So from 245 to 300. Yeah, I'm very happy that I scored this before the price increase. And then as for the finishes, the hardware is really nice, and then the fact that I'll be able to use it like this, or as other persons, or I saw on YouTube also, they use it as a wristlet. So to be honest, I haven't used it yet, so I'm quite curious how it will hold up. I haven't tried putting things inside also, so let's see. I will see how it will be. But apart from that, the zipper is very soft. Mine, like I've mentioned earlier, is made in, yeah, it's made in France. So yeah, I just can't wait to be able to use it, and I will let you know. I think I will make a 6 months review or 1 year review, and I'll show you the wear and tear of this mini pochette. If you're also interested how I will fill it up, let's say what's in my mini pochette, just leave me a comment down below. I'll be happy and glad to make that video for you. So yes, so as of a first impression, I'm totally satisfied and ecstatic to have been able to score this mini pochette accessoire. So there you go. So that is my review and first impression of this product. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And again, thank you loves so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!
Yeah.